On July 13, 2006, Canada's Air Force conducted a monumental airdrop resupply mission, parachuting food and supplies from an airborne aircraft to soldiers located in otherwise inaccessible forward operating positions in the southern provinces of Afghanistan. The July 13th drop was Canada's first attempted and successful combat airdrop since the Korean War in the early 1950s.
Today we performed an operational airdrop resupply to troops, coalition forces directly involved in combat operations. We loaded the aircraft this morning with 16 CDS bundles, which is the maximum number of bundles that we can carry. 24,000 pounds of supplies were transported to the drop zone and released on time and on target.
The loads start by being built and rigged by in this case, the Americans. The Americans were in charge of, it was all their equipment, their containers, their parachutes. So the Americans did all the rigging and actually supplied the vehicles for loading the aircraft. The Americans also helped with the Canadian MAMS teams to ensure that the loads were rigged properly on board the aircraft. After that point, that's when I take over and just basically checking on their work to make sure everything's done properly and making sure everything is done safely. 16 bundles is the maximum amount of bundles that can fit on the Hercules. We train all the time to do this sort of thing, usually only with 1 or 2 bundles at a time. So seeing 16 bundles all at once, it was a very proud moment for myself, and I felt exhilarated doing it, and I enjoyed it thoroughly.
We've been doing humanitarian airdrops throughout history, as recent as the Gulf War. In terms of combat resupply for troops in contact, this is the first time since the Korean War that Canadian aircrew have performed these types of missions.